We watched the guy pick it up and pay a guy right before we got there. Isn't that crazy? Yeah.
Seconds.
Yep. Oh yeah, that thing should go every bit as fast as that bike. So what are we doing, Matt?
We're gonna go check out some swap meet parts, I reckon.
Yeah.
Right now we're watching Evel Knievel.
Yeah. She's already wanting to make it go faster.
Oh, I don't doubt it. I know she's related to it.
Yeah, no kidding.
Right there.
Check it out, like a 69 Ford Torino in the General Lee.
Yeah, boy.
Woo! That is so cool.
Isn't it?
Man, you just can't beat the General Lee, man. I love that car.
Look at that welding bed. Oh my.
Ooh, there's a Trans Am back there, like a 76. Oh, look at that Cornet.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, that is a nice one. That calls for a... Alright, here's the start to our Kellyville swap meet. 67 GTO. Convertible. And like a 67 Chevy Impala. Convertible. Got the wires on it.
They clean.
They clean. Keep them clean. There's a 71, 72 Chevelle front bumper. 66 El Camino with the Convo Pros. I love these wheels, man. I want a set of these to put on the Monte Carlo. What motor do we have? Yeah. Small block. Love me some El Caminos. What's he want? 11.5 or trade.
Dude, look at this.
What's up?
You can do this on the front of your trailer.
I know, I like that.
Place for chains, place for hooks. Nice little stop.
Getting your creative juices flowing,
Dude,
huh?
I like that.
Oh, heck yeah.
That is rad.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Oh,
We're
man.
Just looking at trailer. You're looking at
Yeah.
cars. I'm looking at trailer.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's nice El Camino.
And the way they've got the hooks angled at the back. Man.
Oh, yeah.
It's slick. The car's pretty cool, too.
Yeah, it is. It's pretty cool.
Cage in it, some dynamite.
Oh, yeah, this is a hot
Loving it.
rod right here.
I like it.
Yeah, I'd like... Oh, yeah.
We're going to cage the Chevelle.
No, absolutely not.
We got a fender.
We can cage everything else, but I'm not caging that.
We cage it all. We need a ramp truck.
Oh, I want a Ram Trump. This thing's actually on Marketplace.
Really?
And I want those Kragers. Dang it.
Yeah, those are good looking Kragers. I don't like Kragers. I didn't think of it.
I'm really trying hard not to buy something I don't need. What is it, Ronnie or
I don't know. I can't remember. But it looked like him.
probably a 392 or 331? Uh-oh. The Mustang too. I like these things. I think they're pretty cool. 302. My mom had one of these, but it was the coupe. Pretty neat. Here's your little 62-ish Nova.
Dude, those are cool cars.
I like these. I don't know the year, how to bust them apart from 61 to 62 to 63, 64.
That white one that used to rip around town, it sounded mean.
That was down from the house.
That thing was
Yeah.
rowdy.
What's this? Looks like a back half frame of some sort. It's got them big meat lever hoovers on the back with a 12 bolt. And 400 turbo with a big block and a Dominator. Pretty rad. Some C2 gauges. You got an early Corvette. '87 Buick GN 342 8.5-inch axle. That's a pretty good find right there. I bet you're gonna pay for that too. There we go. I bet that'll wake the neighbors up. Oh yeah. Oh Jesus.
Yeah, here's a bill there.
Number 55.
That looks pretty good, don't it?
Not too bad. I like it.
Did you see a price on it anywhere?
I just saw it, but man, I love these things.
Yeah.
This is kind of a bucket list for me, is one of these things.
Yeah. They're kind of hard to get now.
Yes, sir. That's a good looking car. I know a little bit about these Fords here. I've seen a couple of them.
You been around one?
Yeah, I've been around one.
You made two into one? Or?
Oh, yeah. Made a hell of a Heinz 57 rig. This is like an 82. It's got a 9-inch in it.
Got some good tires on it.
Yeah, a little bit. Mudded up a little bit, but not bad.
That's a cool truck.
Yeah, I like these Fords. Oh. There's your 50s Ford pickup. I was thinking 57. Don't slam the door. What is it? 58. Close enough. This is a nice looking little truck. Nice. Got us a Ranchero. Very nice little cars. I love this Falcon body style of these. I've probably said it 1,000 times. I used to have a blue 60 that I drove all the time with a 170 and a 3-speed. This is a 63, I think 62. Good looking car. It's a familiar kind of pickup. I think I've seen one of these before, Matt.
Yeah.
This was not a Longhorn though. This one's got the standard 8-foot bed. I like. It's a good looking little short bed.
Fuel pump. Sniper setup. My cat on there. Little acceptable.
Uh-oh, here's my other account draining. Here you go. Another 40s style car. I don't know these as well. Oh, Lord Jesus. That's not good. That's a fixer-upper.
A little bit.
Yeah, gosh darn it. I bet that's something to do with the tree. So we're looking at some Ford stuff. There you go. Pretty cool. What's that, Matt?
Looks like a Blazer.
Yeah, it does. What year range do you think it is? Because it looks about an 80s one. It's got a 10 volt. Oh, it's got a boat style, or at least what the valve covers say. Small block. Yeah, this is like an 80s. Oh, yeah. The 80s Core Sport. Suburban, man. I like that. Ford $1,400. Oh, it's got the old mud terrain on it, man.
Favorite tire.
I like that tire too. I was bummed years ago when I bought those KM2s when they stopped making those, but then I was like, the KM2 is a pretty good tire.
Yeah.
So I found out. There you go.
Oh yeah.
So what is this, Matt?
Beautiful is what it is.
Holy moly. Every time I see stuff like this, I think I was like, this is what you need.
Hey, that's what dreams are made of.
But I think we got something for them that we're going to show them here pretty soon, Matt.
Yeah.
Because you're about to have it.
Dude, that's
So,
rad.
yeah. Well, it's got even the roller on it too.
Yeah.
So you just roll an old storage shed up on there.
Do whatever you want.
That's the main reason.
Yeah, dude, that's a really nice setup.
Yeah, you'd almost have to have a diesel in one of these though.
You'd want one.
Yeah. Man, I love those weld wheels.
Oh, what's that back up wrong?
Huh? Yeah, that's for a truck like mine.
No, I'm talking about that.
Oh, yeah, that's just like that one you sent me. Let's say if we bought another one of these, we just smashed the hell out of that one too.
That one you'd be smashing the box, not smashing
Yeah.
the bumper.
Well, it's got a little bit of a... So we were seconds away from finding that 8004 Y-end intake manifold.
Watch the guy pick it up off
We watched the
table.
guy pick it up and pay a guy right before we got there.
Check
Isn't
it.
that crazy? Yeah.
Seconds.
Yep. This is a good looking little Nova. It's a nice little car. This is probably like a 62-ish. Like I said, I don't know how to tell the years apart, but 61 through 64. Nice little car.
That's good looking.
Yeah, it is. I like these. Ooh. This is a nice little 1971. Man, that is pretty. This is my favorite year Chevelle right here. 71, 72. It's got the buckets in it. Console. Man. That is pretty. This is typical for me and Matt. We go see a nice big building or a shop and we start daydreaming. He's already stepping it off. What's his? I guess 60. I think this is 60 by 120. What do you think?
It's 60.
60, so I bet it's 120 foot long. So we're geeking out on shops and buildings. Wow. What we got right here, Matt?
What dreams are made of times
Yeah,
two.
it is.
Look at that beauty.
That's a nice truck, man. 6850. There's the phone number. Pretty rad rig, man.
I love it. Dude, that would be awesome.
What was that, about 86, 87? The grill.
Don't give me the line.
I like that grill on this one. You know it's got a 454, maybe a slight exhaust leak.
I guarantee so. I love it.
It's got good rubber on it.
I like those runners.
I do too. And no, I don't. I'm just being nice.
I think they're good.
Yeah, I'm just being nice.
But I'm getting old.
Man, that is so cool. Interior's really nice. Wow, that would be very handy to have.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see that bow in the bed floor you were talking about when we were working on the red truck.
Yeah.
You wouldn't think metal like that would bow, but it does. Little 65, 66 Chevy. All right, guys, so we ran the swap meet. This actually had a lot more better stuff than what they've had. I wasn't able to come last year, but I was here the year before. But yeah, they're only open till this evening, so me and Matt may make a pass back up here this evening and check it over. But yeah, we're heading back to the house. So if you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe, whatever. And yeah, thanks.